Hello everyone, MASE here. Today I'm going to show you how I clean my airbrushes, my tools in the ultrasonic cleaner. As you can see, here you can see a nozzle and of course airbrush needle from Fengda BD130 and the nozzle. Very small part. For cleaning you can use leveling thinner, classic alcohol and some other thinners. For cleaning, I use ultrasonic cleaner, which makes microscopic waves to clean the tools. Here you can see my Fengda AG100, of course, nozzle as well, cover for nozzle, and we just put it into the container with everything. Cap for the color, needle, cover nozzle. Here you can see how the airbrush cleaner cleaning my tools. It is relaxing, like the bubbles can clean the airbrush itself for really good price. Like this small tanker cost like 50 euros, so it's okay. I use of course some cleaning tools for the airbrush itself for the first time finally, and it works great. And now my tools, like tweezers and of course my old brushes with dry color, and again satisfying look. After the cleaning, my airbrushes, my tools, my brushes, I start assembling the airbrush from the pieces. I attached the nozzle, of course the cap for the color, and after that I attached the needle, as you can see right now, and my airbrush looks finally like a new one. Screw it tight, and here you can see the complete my airbrush. And of course don't forget on my Fengda BD130. Thank you for watching.